So this is what you have to do to get to the starter of a 2004 Grizzly 660. First you have to take the seat off, disconnect the battery, which I haven't done yet, but I will. Got to get the gas tank off. In order to get the gas tank off, you have to take the front grille off, and then there's two bolts. There's one here and one on the other side right there. Then you got to take the two bolts on the back of the gas tank off, get that out. You got to take the whole air cleaner out, work your way forward, take the carburetor off, set it off to the side, and there's your starter. I would like to punch the designer right in the teeth who did this.